Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nikki, and for those of you who do know me, thank you so much for coming back. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and also hit the notification bell beside it so you never ever miss an upload from me. Alright you guys, so I'm not gonna make this intro super duper long. We're gonna get straight to the point. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look here, and this is a pretty simple glitter smoky eyes. So for those ladies that want to look like you want to be looking glam for the god, but you don't want to put a lot of effort into it, but you want to make people think that you did put a lot of effort into it, this is a look for you. It is super duper simple. It is literally like super simple products that you probably already have in your makeup rooms or your beauty rooms. Like, this is just a super simple, I'm sorry y'all, this gum is so good. A super simple pretty pink glitter eye. I just absolutely loved how it turned out. I didn't use any falsies because I wanted the eyes to really just like shine, like shine and shine and shine, like my voice. I'm a vocalist today. Just kidding, y'all. I try to sing, but anywho, yeah. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then of course just continue to watch. Hey, what's up, you guys? Let's go ahead and get started. So first, I'm doing some color correcting. I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Orange Concealer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my dark spots, and I'm going to blend it out using this Real Techniques buffer brush. Alright y'all, once I'm done blending that out, I'm going to apply my foundation, and I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Longwear Liquid Foundation, and this is in the shade 8.75, and I'll have that listed down below in the description box in case some of you all are wondering what shade I'm using, and if you're of a similar complexion as mine and you think this color may work for you, I have it listed down below in the description box. Now, I really love this foundation. I have not used it in a while, but it is definitely one of my favorite foundations because this foundation is definitely full coverage. And when I say full coverage, it is full coverage. Like, a little goes a long way. I really didn't even need as much as I put on, but because I am a full coverage cake face, I always apply more than necessary. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to blend this foundation out. It probably wouldn't take me as long as if I had to use my beauty sponge, but hey, and I did add a little bit more to my cheeks, just because my dark spots peek through very well there. Alright, next for a concealer, I'm taking my Too Faced Multi Sculpting Concealer in the shade Sand, and I'm using this concealer to highlight. Again, one of my favorite products. This is definitely one of my favorite concealers to use to highlight because the coverage is amazing. I love the color. The shade range is amazing. And it's just an all-around good foundation. And if you want to use these concealers to contour too, they work really well for contouring. But I mostly use them for highlighting. But anyway, the point is, I just love this concealer so much. Literally one of my faves. Alright you guys, so after I have applied my concealer, and you see I'm struggling for it, I'm looking for my Makeup Revolution setting powder, and I'm going to use the shade Banana and Terracotta today because I didn't want my highlight to be like, you know, too popping today, so I'm kind of just toning it down a little bit. Didn't want it to be too bright, so I just blended in a little bit of the terracotta powder just to kind of just calm things down a little bit. But yeah, I'm using this to set my concealer, and I just apply it everywhere that I apply that concealer just to set it and make sure nothing creases. And you guys already know my love for this powder. I don't have to explain it. It's just evident because I use it in every video. And I haven't picked up another one since. Alright, so now that I am all set, next I'm going to go in And I'm going to set my foundation and just kind of do an all over powder sweep. I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation in the shade NC50. Normally I'm NC47 in MAC, but I just use this to make it work. Alright you guys, so for contouring, I'm using the Ruby Kisses Mineral Powder in the shade Chestnut to contour my cheeks, my forehead, my jawline. Also, I'm going to contour my nose. But before I move to my nose contour, I'm going to take another powder. You guys know this one as well. My Black Radiance Pressed Powder in the shade Rich Mahogany. And I'm just going to use it because I want just a little bit more of a deeper contour on my cheeks and forehead and jawline. But I'm going to go back with that Ruby Kisses powder and I'm going to contour my nose using that powder because the Rich Mahogany just seems to be a little bit harsh for my nose and this powder works perfectly for it. Alright, for highlight, I am taking my Makeup Revolution highlight in Golden Light and I'm going to make my skin shine. And once I'm all glowy, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the eyes. So this eye look is so simple. I'm gonna take the MAC eyeshadow in the shade Bright Pink. And you can also, this is also a powder blush too, and you can use it as a shadow as well. But I'm using it as an eyeshadow today. And what I'm doing is I'm taking this eyeshadow, I'm taking the color and I'm just packing it onto my lid, and I'm also packing it onto my lower lash line. Once I pack it in and I get the color payoff, I'm going to go back in with a different brush and just really blend that color out and sweep it all throughout my crease. And I'm just going to blend out that lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to do this about a couple of times. I'm going to pack and blend, pack and blend. So that's just what I'm really doing here. I'm just packing that color in so I can make sure I get the full color payoff that I desire, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to blend it out. So I'm going to do the same for the other eye as well. I'm just taking this color and just packing it in, blending it out on my lid and also on my lower lash line as well. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, and this is literally the only shadow that I'm using, like for real y'all. Like I'm only using this pink shadow and that is it. I'm not using any transition colors, none of that. This is it. This is the only shadow that I'm using. And like I said, just pack and blend, pack and blend. Alright, so now that I've gotten that eyeshadow applied, I'm going in with this Too Faced Glitter Primer. And I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to smooth that all over my eyes. And I'm going to let it dry a little bit just to kind of let it get tacky. And then I'm going to go in with a Too Faced Glitter wrapped in pink. And I got these in a set, Too Faced Glamour Dust. And this shade is called Wrapped in Pink, and I'll have it listed down below. And I'm just using my finger. I'm not using a brush because I don't want it to be perfect. I just want these eyes to look like pink spotlight eyes. So I'm just taking my finger and I'm just applying it. And then I'm going back in with the brush to just kind of just blend out the outer corners just a bit. Now I'm dusting away any fallout, and I was looking for my white eyeliner, couldn't find it, so I'm using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk just to kind of give me a white liner underneath to open my eyes a little bit more. And then for mascara, I'm going in with my Ulta Beauty Voluminizing Plush Drama Mascara, which I love so much, so much. And I'm going to coat my top lashes as well as my bottom lashes. Alright guys, then I realized that I forgot to put on blush in this moment. So the blush I'm using is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Limited Edition Baked Blush in the shade Dare to Soar. And I did my brows off camera. And for lips, I'm using an Ulta Beauty Lip Balm Gloss. And I'll link that down below because I cannot think of the name of it right now. But I'll definitely have it linked down below, listed down below in the description box. And that is pretty much it for this look, you guys. I'm spraying my face with the Morphe setting mist. And that is it, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.